Okay, I'll be right there. Okay, guys, there's an emergency going on right now. Yes? I just wanted you to grab the remote to the TV. So that's why you called me? What the heck, Kush? Hey, I couldn't reach the remote and I don't like to get up. Fine, I'll get the remote for you. Here. Well, why don't you go ahead and turn on the TV? Oh, I can't. Of course you can't. Here, I'll turn it on for you. Okay. Ugh. Gotta turn on the TV. And what do you want to watch? Disney Plus. And what do you want to watch? DuckTales. Yeah, DuckTales. Okay. Is that enough for you? Huh? Is that enough? Is that enough? Huh? No, not yet. Oh, when is this gonna be over? Okay, guys. I did a funny video of my dogs, and you know, in all my videos, I kept on saying that Abby was coming tomorrow, and she's not. I'm going to do a YouTube video saying that she's not, but if her dad says yes, then she's gonna come, and I will do a YouTube video in the morning. So you can go check that out at, let's see, at 9 a.m., okay? And thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe down below and comment. And I'll see y'all in the next one tomorrow or later today. See y'all in the next one. Bye.